Hundreds of people turned out and the traffic continued to build, overflowing the parking lot at Camp Long for the first day of the Nature Consortium's Arts and Nature Festival on Saturday, August 22nd.
Hi there, I'm Nancy Whitlock and I'm the founder and executive director of Nature Consortium and also the curator of the Arts and Nature Festival that is happening right now at Camp Long. It's a very performing arts-based experiential event where people can come and enjoy all types of music, everything from classical music, Americana and jazz to experimental. This evening we'll have fire performances and there's all kinds of things happening in all of the cabins throughout Camp Long, which makes up the Museum of Sound. So artists create sound and visual art installations in all of the cabins. There are lots of hands-on art activities for the kids, as well as food. We have a taco truck and some forest restoration activities. So there's a little bit of everything for anybody that wants to come out and enjoy the fun. Please join us. Thank you.
The event, which features live music, printmaking, aerialists, face painting, Museum of Sound art installations, experimental music, and interactive art, takes place every year at Camp Long. Kids and families are welcome at the event and come away not only learning something about art, but also about nature and our environment. At a printmaking exhibit, kids learn how to make prints with pieces of nature and...
Oh, you're strong. Oh, keep going.
Let's see. He was the red.
Oh, okay. Let's see what it looks like. You want to
This is his.
peel it off?
Whoa, Julie.
Wow.
That's beautiful. Do you see?
This is Pat Robinson for WestSeattleHerald.com.